Hello guys, welcome. My name is Kobe. Now this is a quick tutorial that I want to show you how you can be able to install this beautiful website on your on your domain or hosting. Now we created this website. I did a tutorial about it, how I created this cryptocurrency marketplace website. It is an investment website. Now if you want it, I have the template for free. You can download it. So I want to show you how, after downloading, how you can be able to import it into your website, so into your hosting or whatever, your WordPress, so that you can be able to have this website and then customize it to be on your own. Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial, so let's jump into it now. Basically what you need to do is to install. First you need to install the theme that I used. Okay, so to get this theme, okay, go to Kitech Digital. Okay, so just type in Kitech Digital. Okay, Kitech, go to my website kitechdigital.com/rishi theme. Okay, now you're gonna, it will take you to this place, and then you'll be able to have the website, the theme installed. Okay, so you'll be taken to this this website, Rishi theme over here, and then just click on this button or this button. Okay, you download the theme for free. Now when you download the theme for free, now come back to your website. Okay, and then click on add new over here. I have already installed the theme, but I'm just showing you how you can be able to install it. Click on add new, click on upload. Okay, now choose the file. Okay, choose the file wherever your theme files are, and then locate wherever the file is. Okay, so let's say it is over here. This is the Rishi theme. Okay, just click on it. Okay, and then click on what, open. Okay, and when you click on open, click on install. You'll be able to install the theme. Okay, now after you've installed the theme, let me go back. After you've installed the theme, you're going to have something like this. Okay, so just activate it. Okay, very good. Now after you've activated it, it will tell you to also install and activate the companion of the theme. So just click on it and then activate it. Okay, just click on the blue button. Now we'll bring you to this place. Okay, now this is the customization and everything of the theme. Okay, but you are one step further away from what we are doing. Okay, so you are good to go. Now step 1 is done. Now step 2 is to also go and then install all required plugins. Okay, so all the required plugins used for the website, I will list it. It is listed below in the description over there. Make sure that if you don't find it in the description, check my website, it is there. Okay, make sure that you install all these required plugins. So when you install them, activate them. Okay, so click on activate and activate all of them. So these ones are already installed, so I'm not going to activate. So we're going to install Bitcoin news, classic widget, contact from 7, cryptocurrency converter, cryptocurrency all in one. All these plugins, you're going to install all of them. Okay, they are all free over there. Okay, now if you don't understand anything, you can watch the full tutorial or the video, and then you'll be able to use it in conjunction with this one. Now after you click on it, or select all of them, just choose here activate, and then click on activate. Okay, very good. So at the moment you activate it, okay, what it does is there is a notice over here. Okay, one of the plugins require you to enter an API key. Okay, make sure that you get the API key. So just click over here to enter, because if you don't have the API key, you're not going to get the rate, the currency rate or the cryptocurrency rate that you have to get. So get the API key and then place it over here. Now to get the API key, just click over here. Okay, click over here. It will send you to this website. You create a free API key. It is easy to create. It is not any big deal. It is just easy to create. So you get a free API key over here. Click on app IDs. Okay, just click on it, and then you see that you'll be able to create. They will create one for you already, but you also be able to create another one. It is only 2 times you can create. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and then come back over here and then put it into your into this API key column over here. Okay, just put it in this field over here, and then click on what, on save changes. Okay, so now that you've done the next one after installing everything, now we are what, we are another step forward. So we have step 1, we install the theme. Step 2, we what, we install the required plugins, and then gotten the API key. Okay, the next step is for you to also what, import the starter template, or the template that I have created for you. Okay, so what we have to do is, to import the template, we're going to go to plugins. Okay, now make sure that, like I said, it is also a required plugin. Make sure that you have that plugin installed. Okay, so we're going to use this plugin, which is called the one-click demo import. Okay, make sure that you have this demo import plugin installed. So when you install it, okay, come over to I think it is, come over to settings, or let me see, is it tools or settings? Okay, come over to appearance, come over to appearance over here. Okay, and then go over to import demo data, import demo data. Okay, so just click on it. We're going to import the demo data, and then we use it to we get our design that we want. Okay, so now that we have over here, so it says that you have this theme, but there is no data for you to to select from. Now don't worry about it, because the data that you downloaded from the website, this is where you're going to use it. Okay, so select, click on, we're going to have three things. One is what, the XML file, the other one is what, the JSON or the WIE file, and the other one is what, the DAT file. Okay, so select this one over here. Now go to where you downloaded the location where you downloaded the files to. Okay, so mine is in crypto over here. Now when you download the file, this is how it comes. Okay, you have these two files over here. Unzip them. When you unzip them, you're going to have this two things over here, and then you're also going to have these images. Okay, over here, all the images that I use for the website. Okay, now go to the files over here, these two files. Now select this one. There are three files in it. Okay, file 1, that one have the DAT file, the JSON or the WIE file, and then the XML file. Okay, now the first one says XML, so choose XML, select it. So that is what, XML. Now go to the next one, which says what, the JSON or the WIE file. Okay, so we're going to choose this one, and then we open it. Okay, and then the last one is the DAT file. You choose it, also this one, and then you open it. Okay, and then after everything is done, just click on what, continue and import. So click on continue and import to import every file for you. Okay, so you're going to get all the files done for you. So wait for it to what, import. Some few minutes, it will import everything for you. Alright guys, so if your import is complete, don't worry about this error. Okay, it's nothing, it's just maybe from it's a media thing that could not be able to import, but don't worry, everything is fine. So you can take a look at your website and visit and see how the website looks like. Now basically this is how the website looks like. Okay, so you see everything is set for you to go. Now all what you need to do is to set up your home page and other things. So to set up your home page, what you have to do is what, go back to your dashboard, and then go to settings over here. Okay, and then go to reading, and then you can set up your home page. Okay, so change from latest post to static page, and then set the home page to to home over here. Okay, so you get the home over there, and then click on save. Okay, so if you check the website again, you realize that everything is in perfect shape. So let's check the website again and see. Okay guys, as you can see, now we have a complete website for us to for us to keep going. Okay, now if you don't get anything, or if you don't understand anything, you can go back to watch my full tutorial I did on how to create this website. Okay, so if you want to change anything, just click on what edit with Elementor, and then you can be able to change anything that you want to change on the website. So just click on edit with Elementor, it will open for you, and then you can change anything that you want to change on the website. So that is what as simple as ABC. So you can change anything that you want to change over here. Okay, you can change anything that you want to change over. So to place the widget that it is over here, it will come here. Very good. So if this one that you want to change, you can go to this website. Okay, go and then design it the way you want it. Okay, this website over here, co-w.io. okay, crypto converter widget, you can get it over there. Copy the code over here, you copy the code, and then you can go back to your website over here. Just click on this place, and then you can paste the code over here. Okay, so if you don't really understand anything, you can go back and watch the full tutorial that I did on this website. I hope this video helped. And then also, before I go, let me exit. Before I go, let me show you one thing. For instance, maybe you just want I have separate, also other separate pages to the contact page, and then the about page to for Elementor. Okay, so let me go over here and then visit the website, and then you see what I'm talking about. So maybe the about page did not come the way you want it, or whatever it is. You can go and then download the other two pages, which is the about and the contact page. Okay, with this one also, the contact page over here. Okay, so I think everything is set. Everything is set. All what you need to do is to just change your the colors, everything, and then you are good to go. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and then see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.